Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss a single problem in which I will discuss what is the use of if, else if and else if statement, how they execute and how we can use them to solve our real life problem. So in this video I have take a single problem upon which I will apply each of the conditions, and based upon that we can find the answers. So I'm taking a real world problem which we have, that in current time we all are fighting with COVID-19. So for that we are getting vaccines. So in 2 or 3 months back, when we only providing vaccines to those people whose age were were greater than 45. So if I'm creating a program which will take age of my user, and based upon that age the program will say that you can get a vaccine or not. So let us try to create a program which will take age as an input and will give an output that whether you can get a vaccine. Okay, so for that I will create a variable of integer type age, and I will write a printf statement to instruct my user that enter your age. So user will enter his age, and by writing scanf I will take his age as an input by %d comma address of age. So now I have age of my user, and now I have to decide something. So if is used as a decision control statement as we discussed in previous video. So in this condition also we have to decide something, that now I have age, so on based upon that age I have to decide that whether he can get a vaccine or not. In my current example I'm having an example of vaccine. So I will use if. If is a keyword in C language, keyword whose meaning is already known to compiler, we all know. So I have written if, and after if I will write a condition. So you can say that this is the syntax of if statement, that we write if, and after if, just after it we put round brackets, and in that round brackets I will provide a condition that if age is greater than or equal to 45, then print a statement that you can take the vaccine. So whenever user writes his age, and if age is greater than 45, then my program will print that you can take the vaccines. Okay, so this is a very simple code which I have created to demonstrate you how if works. So if I run this program, so enter your age, if I put 49 as age, so the printing message is you can take the vaccine. Let's take one more example. If I'm putting 45 as a age, so here also you can take the vaccine. Let us take one more test case, that if I put 43 as my age, then I'm getting nothing. That means if statement, what is if statement doing? It is checking the condition, and if that condition is true, then the next statement is executing. Otherwise nothing is executing here. So if statement is correct, then only the next line will be executed, otherwise it will be ignored. And because I have nothing after this line, so no output I am getting here. But what if I write here printf, this will show you the execution of if more clearly. I write, let's say, hello, and let us discuss what will be the output if I write 23 as my age. So you can get that whenever I write 23, so here 23 greater than equal to 45, condition is true, so this statement will not get executed. So the control will move to directly this statement, and now printf hello, that means hello string is printing on the screen. So this is how if statement works. It's check the condition, and if that condition is true, then the next line will be printed, otherwise it will be ignored. So this is how if statement works, and let us discuss now that how if else work. If else is used when we have two conditions. So let us discuss how this can be worked. So in the current scenario, we are taking the example of vaccine. So in the current scenario, we are providing vaccines to those people also whose age is above 18. So we can create one more program. It will show you that if we have two vaccines in the market, let's say vaccine A and vaccine B, and we can say that if age of a person is greater than 45, then he will get vaccine A, otherwise he will get vaccine B. Okay, so this is my motive to create the a program, that if age is greater than 45, you can take vaccine A. Else, that means if your age is not greater than 45, then what you can do? Else printf, you can take vaccine B. So this is how my program will work, that first user will enter his age, and if that age is greater than 45, then this line will be printed that you can take vaccine A. Otherwise, in all other case, that means if age is less than 45, then in that case this line will execute. That means control will move to else, and the line after else will be printed on the screen. So let us build and run this program. So if I put age is 46, you can take vaccine A, because this condition is true. Let us take one more example, that if I add my age as 34, so you can take vaccine B because age is less than 45. This is how if else statement works. Basically the use of if else is for checking two conditions, that means checking one condition, and based upon that condition, when we have two paths to follow, that if age is greater than 45, then A vaccine, otherwise in all other case B vaccine. But if you try to understand that is it a true solution of our problem, because our program is what is doing our program, it is only checking that if age is greater than 45, then A vaccine, and in all other scenario B vaccine. But we are not vaccinating those people whose age is less than 18. So what about them? So we also have to include that also, because we cannot restrict someone to use our program, and if a person is using our program and his age is less than 45, then he will get this message, you can take vaccine B. But this is not true, because we are not vaccinating those people whose age is less than 18. So for that purpose also we have to modify our code. So for that only else if is used. That means when we have multiple choices, that after checking age condition, when we have multiple options. So for that I will add one more thing here, that after else I will write else if after else I will put a space, and I will write else if. In else if I will write a condition. If age is, let's say, less than less than 18, so I will write the message that you can not get any vaccine. That if my user is entering a age which is not valid for taking a vaccine, then he will get this as a message that you cannot get vaccine. And after that I will write my else statement. In else, what will happen, that if neither of this condition are true, neither this is true nor this is true, then only else will work. In that case, definitely vaccine B will be given. So I will write you can take vaccine B. So let us try to execute this program. So if I provide my age is 13, so a message you cannot get any vaccine is printed on the screen. If I write a valid age of vaccination, that means let's say 23, so the message that you can take vaccine B is printed, because I have written here else vaccine B. So this is how a program works. So I think this is clear to you how control will move. That first I will take the age of the user, then a checking of this condition will take place, that if age is greater than 45, then this condition will be true, and if this condition is not satisfying, then control will move to else if and check the condition of else if, that if age is not less than 18, and if condition is true, then this line will get printed. Otherwise control will move to here, and here no condition I have written, because if in any other scenario else will be executed, because we have only three options here. So if two of them are wrong, two of them are incorrect, then it is definitely that the third option will be selected. So this is why we use else if. When we have multiple options, we can use else if when we have four conditions also. In this case we only have three condition of a vaccine, not get any vaccine, and vaccine B. But if we have four also, then we can use else if. But one important thing to note, that in if and else if we only write the conditions. In else we do not write any condition, because else is like if nothing is happening, then else will happen. This thing should be clear to you, that if nothing is happening, then else will happen. So in else we do not write any condition. It will happen if none of the condition is true. And in other case, else and else if and else if, sorry, we will write the conditions. One more important thing to note, that we cannot write a single else in a statement. We cannot only write else. We can only write else either with if or with else if. A single if statement can be written, but a single else statement cannot be written. So this is it for now. Thank you for watching.